Coming, Mom!
Son, did you eat your breakfast yet?
Not yet, Mom. I was running late.
Sit down, I'll fix you something quick. You'll get those shoes, General, I promise. Good morning, Mom.
Era, you're late.
My apologize, Mrs. Wanda.
Ensure it doesn't happen again. Ha! Look at her scrubbing away like a servant. What's wrong, Era? Got your tongue?
Mom, you yelled at me. I'm sorry, Mrs. Wanda. It won't happen again. Hey, look who is the loser with the hand-me-down sneakers. Did your mom have to mop the floor to buy those?
Era, come here.
Yes, Mom.
Make sure you're more careful in the future.
Thank you, Mom. Hey, my dear, how was your day?
It was okay, Mom.
Hello, sir. 1v1?
Yes.
Hello, sir.
Maybe I'm not good enough, or maybe I need to take more practice. Mom, it's time to wake up. I have school today.
I'm not feeling well, son.
Mom, do you have money for medicine?
I'm sorry, son. We don't have any money right now.
I'm sorry, but my mom needs more than I do. Mom, I need to eat right now. Hey, Mom, how was your feeling?
Much better, dear. Thank you so much.
Good morning, Miss Ara. I'm so sorry to disturb you. I am looking for a maid to work in my house, and I hear that you need a work. I am Miss Sibida, by the way. Ara, before you go, I just wanted to thank you for your hard work today.
Oh, thank you, Miss Sibito. Son, I have a surprise for you.
What is it, Mom?
Tada! Your dream basketball shoes. Welcome, son.
Give me that.
No, sir.
No!